Sylvester Chisholm here. Welcome to another episode of Getting Over the Hump. I want to thank you for joining me, and today I want to talk to you about consistency. Now, it's important in order for us to manifest the greatness that's on the inside of each and every one of us, and in order for us to reach the goals that we desire, to live the life that we desire, to make the amazing things happen in our companies that we're running, we need to be consistent. We got to understand that what's most important is what we do every day and not what we do every once in a while. That's not it. I recently heard a story that exemplifies this point of how consistency truly can help you to be successful in the long haul. And the story is about the two explorers who were trying to be the first to make it to the South Pole. You had Mr. Roald Amundsen, and then you had Mr. Robert Falcon Scott. Now, if you were trying to reach the South Pole, how would you go about it? Would you take 40 miles one day, 60 the next, and when the weather's bad, take a break and rest? Or would you be consistent and say, I'm going to go 20 miles every single day, 20 miles, 20 miles. If the weather's great, we're going 20 miles. If the weather and the conditions are bad, we're still going 20 miles. That's what Mr. Amundsen did. And Mr. Scott, they chose the other path of an inconsistent, sporadic. If the weather was great, then they would go longer. If the weather was not great, then they may rest, or they may just go a shorter distance. Now, what ended up happening, the consistency paid off. The 20-mile march paid off. They actually made it to the South Pole first. So when Mr. Scott made it 35 days later, he got there and was welcomed with the Norwegian flag planted in the ground that Mr. Amundsen and his team had left behind for him. Unfortunately, Mr. Scott and his team, they didn't make it back. They actually died at the South Pole. But the story, the moral of that story is about the consistency. Now, we have to ask ourselves, what is your 20-mile march toward reaching your goal, toward manifesting the greatness that's on the inside of you, toward really growing your company and letting it be the greatest thing that it can be? So you have to ask yourself, what is the 20-mile march? And you have to know that consistency truly is the friend of the successful. Now, I want you to marinate on that as we try to finish the week strong. Be consistent. Ask yourself, what is the 20-mile march for you and your team? And remember, you don't have to be great to get started, but you have to get started to be great. Peace.